high-level defense delegation from the Republic of South Africa, led by Dr. Thobekile Gamade, Acting Secretary of Defense, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters, Islamabad. The visit marked a significant step towards strengthening the enduring military ties between the two countries, focusing on areas of matters of mutual interest and exploring new avenues of cooperation in the aviation industry. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff shared insight into various ongoing modernization projects of Pakistan Air Force's operational construct, force goals and plans for the force structure, with a keen focus on future warfare. He emphasized the crucial role of the National Aerospace Science and Technology Park in bolstering self-reliance and driving regional defense innovations. The Air Chief also reiterated PF's commitment to collaborating with the South African Air Force in military-to-military cooperation and the training domain. Dr. Thobekile Gamade commended the professionalism and accomplishments of Pakistan Air Force, highlighting its success in the domains of indigenization and cutting-edge technological advancements. She expressed a strong desire to rebuild South African Air Force, seeking assistance from PF for its modernization and servicing of critical equipment. The dignitary also conveyed an earnest interest in bolstering the existing cooperation between the air forces of both countries. This includes a specific request for increased collaborative efforts to revamp training setups ranging from basic to tactical levels across multiple warfare domains. The South African Acting Secretary of Defense was notably impressed by the PF's multi-domain capabilities, showcased during Exercise Indus Shield, which was attended by a South African Air Force delegation as observers. She highlighted that the successful execution of this exercise underscored the professional prowess and versatility of Pakistan Air Force in diverse operational environments. The South African delegation also articulated intentions to re-equip their Air Force and establish an industrial setup aligned with the National Aerospace Science and Technology Park being spearheaded by PAF. This visit of Acting Secretary of Defense South Africa to Air Headquarters Islamabad is a testament to the strong commitment of both nations to further enhance their military partnership through continued dialogue and collaboration.